Welcome to Atoha's comprehensive guide to navigating the PgMP certification journey. In this video, we'll explore one of the most essential and often most challenging steps, preparing your PgMP exam application. This process is more than just paperwork, it's a critical milestone. Many candidates say that once you've submitted a strong application, you're already 50% on your way to certification. At Atoha, we understand the effort this takes. That's why this guide is designed to save you countless hours of trial and error, ensuring a smooth and successful application. First, let's look at the eligibility criteria set by PMI. To qualify for the PgMP exam, you need to meet one of the following combinations of education and experience. Important notes: all experience must be within the last 15 years. For example, if you apply in May 2025, your experience should be from May 2010 to April 2025. The total months of project and program management experience must be non-overlapping. So if Project 1 was Jan-June 2018, 6 months, and Program 2 was May-Dec 2018, 8 months, your total valid experience is 12 months, not 14, due to the 2-month overlap. Now let's walk through the step-by-step application process with PMI. Application completion deadline. Once you hit Apply to start your application, you have 90 days to complete and submit it. PMI application review time. PMI typically takes about 10 business days to review your submitted application for completeness. Application audit. In some cases, your application may be selected for an audit. If this happens, you'll be notified via email and have 90 days to submit all requested supporting documents. If you pass the audit, you move forward. If not, you'll need to restart the application process. Fee payment. After successfully clearing any audit, if applicable, you'll be prompted to pay your exam fee. We recommend paying your exam fee and PMI membership fee at the same time to save costs and access additional member benefits. Panel review. Your application then goes to a PMI panel for in-depth review. This can take up to 60 days. This is where your detailed experience statements are thoroughly assessed. Schedule your exam. Once the panel approves your application, you'll receive an email confirming your eligibility to schedule your exam. From this point, you have 365 days, about 1 year, to take the exam, with a maximum of 3 attempts within that period. The PgMP application typically consists of 4 main sections. 1. Personal details. This is straightforward. You'll fill in your home address, your name on identification, ensure it matches your official documents exactly. Your name as it should appear on your certificate can be different from your ID name, your preferred email address, and preferred phone number, your exam location. You'll also provide your educational background, highest level of education attained, year degree was awarded, start or end, country of institution, and name of institution, your field of study. 2. Project experience. If you already hold the PMP certification, you can skip this section entirely. Congratulations! If you do not have a PMP certification, you'll need to detail your project management experience. Please note, for the PgMP exam, project management experience can be declared from the last 15 years, unlike the 8-year limit for the PMP exam. For instance, if you submit your PgMP application in May 2025, you can include project management experience from May 2010 to April 2025. 3. Program experience. This is where you'll highlight your program management journey. You'll need to provide program details, organization name, your position or title, program manager, project manager, PMO head, etc. Functional reporting area, select from a list like IT, PM department, operations. Organization primary focus, select your industry sector. Program budget, number of direct reports and direct reports that are PMs. Start date and end date of the program. Strategic objective description, provide a concise high-level description, 200-500 words, summarizing your experience. This should include the program objective, program outcome and results, your role and responsibilities within the program, the deliverables of the program, component project details. For each program you list, you must detail its component projects, including project title, approach, methodology, traditional waterfall, agile, hybrid, project team size, select from ranges like 1.4, 5.9, etc. Project budget, USD, select from ranges like up to $1 million, $1 million to $5 million. Project date, start and end. Crucially, these dates must align within the overall program's start and end dates. 4th, program experience statements. This section is your chance to shine and demonstrate your program management expertise. As of March 2024, PMI requires you to write 3 essays showcasing your experience in these 3 domains: strategy, leadership, and governance. For each domain, you'll choose between option A or B. Here are the options. Your essays should specifically describe your program-level contributions as a program manager. Focus on concrete methods, strategies, and quantifiable objectives or outcomes. The goal is for the review panel to see how you applied program management skills. Atoha recommends detailing 1 or 2 programs to maintain strong content coherence and linkage, making it easier for the panel to see the connection between your projects within a program. Key tips for your PgMP experience summary. Here are crucial tips to ensure your experience summary stands out. 1. Write concisely and use proper English. 2. Use Microsoft Word to draft your responses, then copy and paste them into the application. 3. Be sure to address all elements of the option you select for each experience summary. For example, if the experience summary option requires you to describe how you identified and evaluated risks, be sure to give examples of how you identified and evaluated the risks. 4th, responses that adequately address all elements of the experience summaries will likely be 350 plus words. The maximum allowance is 500 words. 5 program background information provided in the work experience section of your application will be provided to reviewers. You do not need to repeat the program description in your responses. 6. Respond in the first person. We are interested in examples of your personal and individual contribution to the program. Correct. I developed the program governance model by. Incorrect. We, the program team, developed the governance model by. 7. Focus on your actions. Describe your program management practices, not theoretical concepts or actions taken by others. Provide specific, detailed examples from your personal experience. 8. Describe how you applied program management practices. Avoid theoretical responses. 9. Do not respond with textbook definitions of program management terms. Instead, provide specific examples from your personal experience as a program manager. While not every sentence in your response will contain specific details and metrics, your response must include specific examples. Right. I ensured the program remained aligned with organizational strategic objectives by. Wrong. The program sponsor ensured the program aligned with organizational objectives by. Examples of strong versus weak. Answers: Example 1. Increasing customers. Strong. To increase customer numbers by at least 5% within 1 year, I targeted 500 new retail clients and 1,200 upgraded clients monthly. Weak. I evaluated data, categorized it by risk level to customers, organization, and cost. Example 2. Proposing solutions. Strong. I proposed to the sponsorship committee to waive copper network installation costs to attract more customers to fiber optic. Weak. I built clear expectations based on understanding requirements and managing expectations. Example 3. Quality checks. Strong. Field quality checks were performed on 35% of customers. An average of at least 280 checks per month were completed and reports submitted to the board. Weak. Analyses were presented to stakeholders and consensus was built to establish direction. Final review. Before submission. Reread your responses before submission to ensure that they are correct and complete. For each prompt you answered, ask yourself, does your answer fully address the question? Have you provided specific examples demonstrating your work as a program manager? Does your answer sound like a project manager overseeing multiple projects rather than a program manager? Have you just listed tools and techniques without explaining the strategy or rationale behind their selection? Is your answer too theoretical, lacking crucial information about your actual role in the program? And remember, your application must reflect your genuine experience. Having someone else write it for you violates the PMI Code of Ethics. For students enrolling in Atoha's PgMP exam prep course, we go the extra mile. You'll receive a template to guide your application, and our instructors provide one-on-one review sessions for your application, boasting a 100% success rate in passing the review stage. We wish you the best of luck on your PgMP journey. If you need a partner to guide you through this process, don't hesitate to contact Atoha at this hotline. Thank you for watching, and good luck with your application.